So welcome back to another Unity tutorial, focusing this time on Unity's tile maps and which tools they offer, including some advanced stuff like tile animations or auto tiles. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So in Unity, you can simply start by doing right-click, 2D object, Tilemap, and for example rectangular. Now make sure to hit this button and drag this one right here, so that you have Unity's tools for tile palettes right here at hand. And now the first thing you have to do is creating a new palette. If you want, you can change the size of all of these rectangles or putting a gap in between them through this option right here. Now to create some new tiles, you can simply drag one of your sprites right here and set this one wherever you want, like that. And you can also use some of Unity's examples, which you can get through the package manager, which also includes blueprints for animated tiles. Drag it in like this. And now with the paintbrush, you can select the tile you want to draw, and then just hold left, and it will draw whichever shape you want by holding left. If you then want to select some of these again, you can do that with the select tool, for example this section right here. And then you can move this one with the move tool and put it wherever you want, like that. And next with the box tool, you can simply drag your mouse between two coordinates. It will fill all of the tiles in between. And with the eraser tool, you can choose to delete some of them again. Now the fill tool works a bit differently in Unity, as you can use it in order to fill shapes with the same type of tile on the one hand, but on the other hand, you can still use your mouse as some kind of border, as you can see right here. And finally, with this button right here, you can change your tile palette itself, similar to this one. And in case you lost your way right here, you can use this tool. You can select one type of tile by clicking off one of its representatives, like that. Next, let's talk about animated tiles, which you can create by clicking right, create, 2D, tiles, and then animated tile. I'll just copy one of these samples, then entering the amount of sprites you have right here, and dragging them right here. And all the way down here, you can also change your animation speed, which will be random between those two, as you can see right here. And at the last step, let's take a look at auto tiles, which you can add right here. And then like with this example, and then specifying its orientation, like this, and attaching your sprite right next to it. And one last thing I want to show you is that you can add multiple layers to your grid, and even add a collider to it, which looks like this one. And now if you disable your renderer, you can use this layer as your walls layer. And now if you're wondering how to use scriptable objects in Unity, please check out the video, and I'll see you next time.